In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your code spaces, trusted repositories on GitHub. Understanding this process is important because it allows you to configure GPG and VS Code settings sync for the repositories you frequently work with, ensuring a streamlined development experience. Let's dive right in and make sure you're all set up correctly. First, you'll want to head over to the GitHub dashboard. This is your launching pad to access all the tools and settings you'll need to manage your repositories. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll spot an icon. This is your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can access personal settings and manage various options. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to your account's settings page where you can customize various aspects of your GitHub experience. Now, on the left-hand side of this settings page, there's a sidebar with different sections. Take a moment to locate code spaces among these options. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just scroll down a bit until you find it, and give it a click. This will bring you to the specific settings related to your code spaces, which is what we're here to adjust. As you settle into the code spaces section, you'll want to direct your attention to something called Trusted Repositories. This is a key area because trusted repositories allow you to enable functionalities like GPG and VS Code settings sync within your code spaces environment. It's important for keeping your workflow secure and synchronized. Here, you have a choice to make. The setting might be set to include all repositories by default, but you can choose between selecting all repositories or just picking selected repositories. If you work across a wide range of projects and need consistency, selecting all might make sense. However, if you're working on specific projects and security is a concern, choosing specific repositories could be the better route. Selecting all repositories means that any repository you work with will automatically have GPG and VS Code settings sync activated, creating a seamless transition from one project to another. On the other hand, selecting specific repositories allows you to maintain tighter control over which projects have these capabilities. This is particularly useful if you are involved in projects with varying security requirements. That's it for the setup. By following these steps, you've successfully configured your trusted repositories for code spaces on GitHub. This means you can enjoy enhanced security and streamlined settings synchronization in your development work. It's a simple setup, but it can make a world of difference in your daily coding routine. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.